So it's really exciting times right now at the Sportline Service Center in Los Angeles, California. We have already wrapped a few Cybertrucks focusing on some satin films, but today I want to share with you the stainless steel truck that we're about to start wrapping. Now here's what I find the most interesting. These trucks come in this stainless steel finish, and that's amazing, right? I mean, super cool. We have not seen a car like that probably since back in the days of DeLorean. And yet we still find that almost every single Cybertruck owner is reaching out to us right now as of recent, inquiring about changing the color, about wrapping their Cybertruck and bringing some color to it. And today we're going to get started with this one using Inozetek Super Gloss Black Film. Now, there's a lot of wrap companies in the industry, probably hundreds, if not several hundred. And while there's a lot of good film out there, trust me, from somebody that's been in the wrap game since the beginning, gloss film just doesn't typically lay up so nicely. As a matter of fact, it actually lays up at times a little almost like orange peel, like bad paint. And while we are not painting your Tesla, we're wrapping it using vinyl film, nobody does it better in a gloss finish than our friends at Inozetek. And this gloss black film, stay tuned guys, it lays up like paint. So here it is. Progress is happening at a very rapid rate. My team is dedicated to go ahead and complete as many of these wraps before the end of the year because our customers cannot wait to hit the streets on New Year's Eve in their new Cybertrucks that have also been wrapped. So as you can see, progress is really happening over here. Nothing yet on this rear quarter panel, but you can see the fender flares are off. The driver's side doors have been wrapped. Looks super cool. We still got the roof line to do. As you make your way to the front, you'll notice that we spend a lot of attention to detail when we're wrapping a vehicle. So the side mirrors are off because that's the right way to do it. You want to go ahead and make sure that you minimize the amount of seams, that you minimize the amount of potential imperfections in the wrap. We go the extra mile. We're not going to ever rush a wrap. This is not a time race. This is about doing it once and doing it right. And that's the way we do things over here at Sportline at our service centers. Front fender flare on the driver's side is coming off. You can see it's partially on, partially off. And then let's make our way to the front. The hood's been wrapped. The front fascia has not yet, but that's going to get done soon. But what I'm really proud of is take a look at the whole passenger side. As you could see, it's completely wrapped. Again, attention to detail with the flares being off, the rear view, the side view mirrors being off, and this side is going to start coming back together to its original form. We're going to wrap up the other side, and I personally promised the owner New Year's Eve 2023, he is driving his gloss black Cybertruck into 2024 and going to be the first in the world. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already for so many more Cybertruck videos coming your way soon.